ira sina ndeto itaiguikite handu ndauma nacio riu thina wakwa ni mucene
ta niguo wi smart
ndihotaga gukira turari handu na Stacy utuku
acha kuisema hivyo
turetitwo mukawa munene muno witagwo The Glee.
Yes. Kore kwa Maria.
Yes.
The Glee.
Tutiramenya kiria twetirwo. Twaingira. Turakora ni birthday.
Hala. Mutiko jeta.
Ne tuge ne turagwitaga.
But
akaduranyiteka kurari kundu kwa na issue ya network. We tried and calling you but you didn't pick. Yes, it was birthday for our own Pastor Beth.
Wow, happy birthday.
Yeah, Pastor Beth Washage.
She didn't invite me.
Yes.
She's following the steps of her pharaoh.
Yes, nani? Yeah, I understand. Araina birthday jaga muno turari ya kuni ko Stacy ararire. Nyama jaga muno. Araina kadera mukenagia muno hau. Aratidiria githeka. Now, majeta dikarie. Ru ni iragia nde to ndijota gukira mama ni kira tarakeigua ndike tutire handu angakeigua muci ndangeigua we kidogo she's gone
uko singo
otigetwo singo we wika
ewe egora disigo mitambo-ini
otigetwo singo we wika
makoroni tofauti
areke ngwire tuikarite uguo hendu turari ari twina arata ani wa Lawrence Ameruge Dishon ya Stacy tuikarite uguo ri turonire andu maingira makeinaga rwimbo runo rikana rwainagwo gutire mundu raiguire rwimbo runo rwainagwo kidogo turona mundu rumeingira mundu rumeguthakara araturia iru araturia iru mbere ya Pastor Beth Washage aramwira babe, will you marry me? Reke Pastor Beth yarire akijije muna ni mazini muna mukuniambia oh my lord no kinyatana my
ejire tu chala gukoga tondu
oh my father guys tumeraga utitho guo oh my father guys mugiko guo neke oh my father finally.
And what she said?
Wow. Turakira kwa moment of silence.
Oh my.
Une turamakagai. Na niguo turirire cio garoi. Arege.
Arigatia.
Araurio tahagekira. Araurio will you marry me? Arauga. Yes I do. Oh my father. My father. Will you marry me? Yes, I do. Oh, my father.
Wow. Congratulations.
Congratulations to her.
Wow.
Very soon nitogwetirwo hiki.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, nitogwetirwo hiki.
Mundu no.
Totina doekaine. Tia is not in the limelight.
I love that.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's just a simple guy from, I think he's from Grogon.
Oh. Wow.
He's a mechanic.
Wow.
Grogon. Andaiguira kiuga mamenyanire ngari ithukite. Akiona ore arahutia mawaya. Ya utira testimony. Akiona oyo ni agututhondekera kanitha uguo riu twina baba kanisa.
Wow. Yeah. I love that.
Yes. And moving